No more.
Well, you're babysitting.
Oh my gosh. How come you are so rough? Ooh, it's cold na ko? Is it cold? Huh? Is it cold? Oh my Lord, I have to practice again.
Oh, there you go.
Ay, grandma, you have to practice.
What do you see?
What do you see?
It's a boy. Oh my gosh.
It's not a girl.
Oh, gosh.
You can put the diaper back on. It's good. It's clean.
It's a junior.
It's clean.
We were just tricking you.
Oh
We
my
wanted
gosh.
surprise.
What happened?
What happened?
The ultrasound was wrong. Oh, you made him cry. Did you get switched? Everyone
Yeah, we
was
thought there was
surprised.
another one under.
Are you really bars? Huh?
Even though you should have seen your dad. No, you're still welcome.
Oh.
You're still welcome.
No,
We
baby,
still
no.
love you.
That's okay.
We still love you, even if you're not a girl.
Okay.
All his stuff is pink.
Okay.
A girl with a
Good
penis.
job.
Oh my gosh. It's a junior.
Where's Jeremy?
Oh.
Like you.